Next box, I would say, is the key resources. Your key resources are really, in many ways, you think about that as your competitive advantage, right? What do you have that is going to enable you to create these value propositions that are really unique? For that, what we're really finding is this idea of having a networked, holacratic culture as something you can dial in. And what I mean by that is, in many organizations, irrespective of the size, we see this top-down management, and that's great when you get really good leaders and so forth. But where that's not always great is allowing employees to actually make decisions that are day-to-day decisions, allow them to make decisions that are the best decisions to be made for the customer. So if you can allow your employees to make the best decisions for your customer, you'll get what Zappos has, which is this sort of undying affection from the customers to you because the company is working in their best interest. This has nothing to do with the setup of, you don't have to build a holacracy where there's no levels or anything like that, there's no leaders or managers. You don't have to do that, but it's allowing everyone to make decisions based on what the customer actually needs and wants.